This is a video on how to add your business to Google, Bing Places. And so I will say the first thing that I always say is make sure that you copy the information from your Google My Business account over. There is a way to import it. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'll just go the old way. So go to bingplaces.com and then go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, and after you sign in, you're going to get to Bing Places for Business. So this is kind of the same with the Google My Business. There's a general kind of way to do that. You can hit sync with my business profile, or you could just add a single business. So typically, I'll try it with this one. If you click on sync with business profile, it gives you the information. I want to sync, and then you could do it regularly. I'm not going to do that because I have a lot of customers in there, so I'm going to add this manually. So you just click it, go to Google My Business Profile. It automatically syncs it all and then adds it in. The other reason why I don't want to specifically do this for our clients is that of ownership, that I want you to own your own Bing listing and Google listing and Apple listings, at the very most, just those three. And adding it by a single business goes through the verification process automatically. So that's why I tend to do that. So I'll walk you through adding it. So just fill out the form like you normally would. And then I'm just going to copy all of the information from the Google My Business information. And it's going to go through and see if there is an account. Okay, it geolocates your address, and then now we're just going to claim the business. So I'm just going to hit claim. Okay, so now there is some information that we have to change. Like there's just the information on that Google had wasn't the best. So the address is the same, luckily, so that helps with verification. We can come back later and then change the profile name. So the map and everything's fine. I'm just going to click next. So you can't, like you can see, I can't change anything. It's just verification. So I'm just going to click next. Okay. And then a segment of business. This would be the same thing as categories in Google My Business. So the business segment, she is in healthcare. Okay, is a healthcare is this. So and then her category would be there. It would be counseling. I was thinking it was therapy, but it's counseling. So counseling services will be her category. You can type in counseling again, and she's not a mental health clinic, but so that one's the only one that kind of fits. If you were in real estate, you could just type in real estate. Oh, it's because the segment is different. So just make sure your segment is real estate, and then you can type in all the real estate ones that go along with it. And then, so counseling services is the primary category, and then you have to describe your business. So I'm going to grab that information from real quick from my other screen, which typically is found on the website. So I'm just going to pull the information off of the website and then go from there. I wonder if I can just copy all of this. Yep. Perfect. So that's all of that information. And then I'm going to click next. And again, the description can be changed at any time. The only thing you're really doing is making sure the address, the title is all going to match. Again, the title does have to change because it's different on the Google My Business page. So then I'm going to click next. Yes, this is a business address. Show the full address. There isn't a store code. She has people that come to her place, and then here's all of this information. So I'm going to fill this out right quick. Okay, I'm just going to hit next, and then add photos of your business. Again, you could pull these from Google My Business. This isn't a thing that has to happen right now, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm just going to click next. And then the working hours, again, I'm just going to copy from Google My Business. I think you're getting the whole point. Copy everything from Google My Business. So um, show business hours and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then I'm going to and if you just click, it'll automatically shift that down, which is great. So then there's that. Those are her normal business hours, and then hit submit. Okay. So then now you get these options to verify. So text message, email, website, verify by post, not recommended as verification. Okay, so you can do this all however you want to do it. So I'm going to verify by post, but again, you could verify by phone. If you verify by phone, then that's not going to be an issue at all. So um, by post, hit verify now, and then she will get an email and then go from there. No, I can't verify now. Just, well, it doesn't make sense. So in verification, she should get a postcard. So once the postcard comes, then they can click complete verification and then type in the PIN on the postcard. That was just a weird thing that it says to go to the app and do all that. That doesn't make sense because you don't have a postcard yet. So then you get the postcard and then it becomes published and then that's that. So it's fairly simple. You can't change anything inside of the account until it is verified. Actually, you can right there. So just make sure you go back in and change the title and make sure that you match what you have in Google My Business. Again, yeah, see, it doesn't allow you to change these at all. So since I can't change anything yet, I have to wait for it to become verified to change stuff. This is what I thought. So now just go back home and then wait for the postcard, or if you have another verification process that you want to do that process as well. If you are the owner of your Google My Business account, then do the sync and it will just pop it in here for you. And then any changes that are made on the Google My Business account are then synced in, and you may still have to verify.